I saved over $300 by refinishing this Corvette Stingray shifter plate, and you guys are gonna be amazed at the end product. Alright guys, so I finished this plate up. It is night and day from how it was before. I am super happy with how it came out. The full video is going to be on my YouTube, Just Do Things. Don't forget to like this video and go see that full video if you want to see more detail and more of the process of how this was done. Man, this came out great. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube, Just Do Things. Thanks guys.